Welcome everybody to another episode of Alveo Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be going over the one-click trading feature down in the bottom right corner of Alveo. So let's jump right into our computer right over here. All right, so here we are in Alveo. As you can see down here in the bottom right corner is our one-click trading, and it is what it says, very simple. If you click on sell, it'll place a trade for selling, buy. I think most people understand that pretty well, but what we want to go over now is this little box section down here and all the different settings, what they are, and how they can help you in your trading. So we'll start down at the bottom, and TS is a trailing stop loss. There'll be a video at the end of this that'll show exactly what a trailing stop loss is, and you can go ahead and watch that. And so we'll go up here to the next one, which is SL, and that's our stop loss. If you want it to automatically close your trade after you hit -1 pip, that's what this will do, or -2, -3, so forth. And then same thing for take profit, our TP here, in the opposite direction. If you are starting to hit some profit, you want to just make 1 pip of profit, this will close it out as soon as it hits that. Or if you want to take 5 pips of profit, then you can go ahead, set it there. When you hit 5 pips, it'll close out for you, and you will reap the rewards of that. Okay, so next up is our quantity here, and that's how much the lot size we're going to do. Very simple there, self-explanatory. And then the %R is the % you're willing to risk of your total balance over here. So you can go ahead and pump it up right here. So if this is just the percentage, so this is 0.01%. So if I'm willing to risk 0.01% of my total balance, it tells me right here my stop loss needs to be 3 times what it is right here, which in this case should be right up here. So I can see right here, if I want to risk 0.01% of my total balance, I need to have a stop loss at 6 pips. And so you can go ahead and change that to whatever you'd like, and then you know how much you'll be losing a percentage of, and you can plan your trading around that. So those are some very useful tools. They can make your trading a lot easier and a lot more manageable. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Alveo Tips and Tricks. We hope these are helping you. If they are, let us know in the comments. If you have any questions, also put that in the comments below, and we'll get to making some videos that will help you personally and countless others as well.
If you like this tip on Alveo and want to learn more, like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to understand more about Apiary Fund's proprietary trading platform, Alveo, Lucas holds an online class called Alveo Basic Training every Monday. Make sure to join him and get all your questions answered and get the most out of Alveo.